Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change my OPay account number. So first off, OPay treats your phone number as your account number. So changes aren't made lightly. So for security and compliance reasons, you might not necessarily be able to change the app directly, change your phone number directly in the app. You will need to go through support. But let's go ahead and see if it has been activated. If it has not, then we'll just go through support. Now, from the top left corner of your home screen, I would like you, I did not click on rewards. Click on the OPay icon there, right next to your name. What am I earning? I'm sorry about that. So that takes you here. I have a couple of options here. You have your phone number, so just go ahead and select phone number. And once you click on phone number, it takes you here. It says you may update your phone number if you no longer use this number. Okay, and it says once you've updated your phone number, you'll no longer be able to use the previous number to access the account. This means you will automatically be creating a new account. All right, and your 10-digit OPay account number will be changed to your new phone number without the first zero. The new phone number will be used for login access, payment verifications, and for other purposes related to this account. And once your account is transferred to a new phone number, it cannot be reversed. So you can just go ahead and click on proceed. And once you click on proceed, then follow the on-screen prompts. Just enter your new phone number in the provided field. You can also enter the country code. Click on the country code to change if you want to change. And select next. Once you hit the next button, just follow through with the next step. And you have your phone number changed. But in case you're having an issue with this, you can just you can visit the customer support in the app and let them know that you want to change your phone number. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.